White noise and pink noise can both help you sleep better and feel more relaxed. So what's the difference between the two? To start, how do you even get multiple colors of noise? Well, that's all about the frequency. White noise sounds like this. White noise produces noise with sounds that are the same frequency. And pink noise sounds like this. So now pink noise is similar to white noise, but the lower frequencies take over. So you can think of it as white noise, but with the baseline all the way turned up. And we've got a full article detailing pink noise over on Mattress Clarity. And you can also Google Mattress Clarity pink noise to read all about it.